Welcome. This is Bitcoin Day Trading, the best edit wave analysis, episode number 25. I'm doing the second intervention today because I've changed my outlook. And I wanted to tell you as soon as possible because I thought since you might be traders as I am, you might be interested in having those updates as soon as possible. And I did think that it's better if I make a fast intervention right now then make you wait 24 hours until I make my next intervention. So I've changed my outlook for wave 3. I think we have now peaked wave 3, and I think we are in the process of correcting wave 3, so accomplishing wave 4. And I'm going to talk about that. But first, I have to show you my disclaimer. So you can read my disclaimer and be aware that there are risks involved in trading. I'm also promoting my one-on-one coaching and I have a 60% discount. So if you're interested in trading or in investing, we can talk about it and see what your strategy is and how we can improve it. We can talk about investing, we can talk about swing trading, or we can talk about day trading, and we can improve your skills if you're interested. And now let's take a look at the chart. So my new outlook is that we have peaked for wave 5 of 3, that we picked up here at 57,855. I think we did peak, and I think we are now accomplishing an A, B, C correction. I have two targets here, and they are FIB levels. The one is the 236 FIB retracement of wave 3. Wave 3 starts here at the, and goes up to there, from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave 3. And that's the first FIB retracement. And the second FIB replacement level is the 382. And that's where I'm expecting wave C or 4 to bottom. If that does not hold, my next level will be here, the span of the previous fourth wave. That would be my next level for support. And in any case, we cannot go lower than 45,021. So that will be my stop loss as soon as we bottomed for wave C or 4. As soon as we bottomed, that will be my stop loss for the fifth wave. So I have exited my long position that I took at the bottom of wave 2. I've exited it now since wave 3 is accomplished, and I will take a new long position as soon as we touch wave C or 4. Then I will take a new long position for wave 5. For the C wave, I'm not planning on trading it, but maybe I'll change my opinion. If I change my opinion, maybe when we reach the wave B of the C wave, then I will maybe take a short position for wave C. But right now that's not certain because there's not much room to the downside since I'm expecting us to bottom at the 38.2 FIB retracement of wave 3. Since I'm expecting us to bottom there, there's not much room to the downside. So I'm not sure that I will take that short position. But if you, depends on how aggressive you are and how you want to trade. Maybe you want to trade that the C wave of the fourth wave. For now, I'm not thinking. I don't think I will take that trade, but maybe I change my opinion. And so the last thing I want to say is that wave wave 5 of 3 did bottom when wave 3 was equal 3 times wave 1. That was the level where we did bottom. We slightly touched it or came very, very low below it. But that's the Fib extension level where we topped. So we topped at 57,855. If you take the short position from, let's say, wave B for wave C, then your stop loss will be 57,855. That will be your stop loss level. That being said, let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart, I did also some relabeling, but first let's look at the outlook. I think we did top wave 3 or 5 here. Then we had a correction that ended here. Wave 4 ended here. And now I did a relabeling for the wave 5 of 3. The last impulse wave up, I did put wave 1 here, wave 2 here, wave 3 here, wave 4 here, and wave 5 here. So I think we topped there. And from the top, I think we had an A, B, C correction. The first part. And after that, we did have an X wave, an A, B, C up. And then we had again an A, B, C down. And right now I'm not certain what that last up wave is, how high we will go, but I'm expecting lower prices. I'm not certain, I'm not seeing lower prices on the 5-minute chart right now, but I'm seeing it on the 3-hour chart. And that level, the 38.2 retracement of wave 5. Let me just show you what that was. And maybe also label it correctly. So that was wave 3. So let me put off wave 3. Okay. That retracement. That retracement will now, I'm not confident now anymore that it will hold. So I'm expecting lower price now. I'm expecting that that level will not hold. The 53,216, I don't think it will hold. Anyways, the important chart is the 3-hour chart. Let me just check if it's really the 3-hour chart. Yes, it is. And as I told you, I'm waiting for wave B to accomplish and then wave C down. Wave A is probably still in progress. And I'm waiting for wave B to accomplish and wave C down. That would be the wave C of 4. And once that's done, I'm expecting higher prices for wave 5. Okay, that's it for today, for my second intervention. I hope you enjoy it because they are quite rare. It's rare that I come back to you on twice on the same day, but I did an exception today. Please comment because I like reading your comments and sometimes they're really motivating. And encouraging me to keep on posting those videos, so they might be nice to read from you, to hear from you. And like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification because it's time-sensitive information, and you should take a look at my intervention as soon as they are out. So don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see if my outlook is correct or not. If we did really top for wave 3, and if we're in the process of accomplishing wave 4, what I think. Tomorrow we'll see if that outlook is correct or if it is not. I can tell you with more certainty tomorrow because time will have passed and I would have more data and I can see if my forecast is accomplishing itself or not. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a nice day. and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.